in this video, i-share ko sa inyo paano mo ma-unlock yung 400,000 TopSwap coins dito sa TopSwap Telegram bot. As you can see here, so mapapansin mo marami tayong pwedeng i-unlock dito na 400,000 coins each. So meron yung mga codes na kailangan mong i-input, and this video ilalagay ko yung lahat para makuha mo kagad siya without watching the whole entire video. Nandito tayo ngayon sa TopSwap Telegram bot. If wala ka pang TopSwap, link ay nasa description. So, kailangan first thing you need to do is punta ka sa task, then click mo lahat to and start mo yung mission mo, then click mo yung watch para lumabas tong provide an answer. So, you have to wait a few minutes kung gaano man katagal yung video na kailangan mong panoorin. I'm sure nakakatamad yun. So, let's say for example, itong make 5,000 per a month, matagal ko na siyang start na mission. Kasi pag start mo yung mission, then naglagay ka kagad ng code, hindi gagana yun. So, meron silang trick dyan na para talaga kailangan mong panoorin. Pero since patagal ko na tong start, pwede ko na ilagay yung answer. So, for 5,000, make 5,000 a month, ang sagot dyan is royalties. Ayan. So, submit lang natin. Ayan, nakuha na natin. Mapapansin mo. Next, unahin mo natin. Next is yung, let's say, you will lose your money. So you will lose your money. Ang code dito is time lock. Ayan, time lock. Submit natin. Ayan, since it looks like you didn't watch the video, so kailangan mo mag-antay a few minutes eh. Okay? Try natin muna iba sa Crypto News Part 2. Alright, Crypto News Part 2. Click na. Ang code dito is 7L6PB. So, submit natin. Let's say, hindi pa rin maano, no? Dito naman muna tayo sa TON. Tingnan natin kung gagana siya sa TON naman is 8NL6FW9. Submit natin. Ayaw pa rin. So, let's wait for a few minutes. Pero yun na yung code natin, no? So, you will lose your money. It's time lock. Alright? You will lose your money. Time lock. Single word lang yan. Sa TON ecosystem naman, it's 8NL6FW9. Ito, yan. 8NL6FW9. So, for make 5,000 a month, yun is royalties. And for Crypto News Part 2 naman, it's 7L6PB. So, all caps yan lahat, no? Make sure all caps yan lahat. Try natin ulit ngayon kung gagana na siya, no? Ayan, gumana na siya. So, ayan na. Try natin yung iba ulit. TON ecosystem, it's, again, 8. Pag ulit tayo, nagsisirang palaka na tayo. And, ayan. Submit. Ayaw pa rin. So, ala pa rin. So, yun lang. Again, royalties, time lock, and then dalawang code na yun para ma-unlock mo kagad yan. So, isipin mo, 400 times 4, nasa 1.6 million na kagad yan. Alright? I hope nakatulong tong video na to.